is to find out the pK value of the given weak acid sample. So in this experiment we are going to use this pH meter. It directly displays the value of pH value of the solution. So in this meter, the calibration mode is displaying 7 here. The reading will be displayed on releasing this button, this red button, release. Then value of the pH of the solution is the temperature is maintained 30 degrees C in this experiment, and we use here combined glass electrode assembly, which consists of 2 electrodes, glass electrode and reference electrode, which is dipped in the solution whose pH is to be found out. So first in this beaker we first clean the glass electrode assembly, and then in this beaker this 50 ml of the weak acid sample is taken, and then glass electrode assembly, glass reference electrode assembly is dipped in that solution, and this red button is released to get the value of pH of the solution. So this is the initial pH value of the solution. Thereafter we fill the sodium hydroxide solution in this burette. Sodium hydroxide solution, there it is, 0.1 N sodium hydroxide solution. This is filled in the burette. So then first reading is taken without adding base, and then next one we add 0.5 ml of base. 0.5 ml of base is added from the burette, and then it is with the help of glass rod it is stirred. Of 0.5 ml of NaOH, the reading is electrode assembly is dipped and reading is displayed. Here it is. The reading is increasing 3.36. This is noted here. The first value 2.85, second one 3.36. Similarly, we go on adding 0.5 ml of base from the burette to the solution in the sample solution, and every time whenever we add, we stir with the help of glass rod, and the pH value from the meter is noted. Reading go on increasing in the pH value. We go on taking a sudden increase in the pH value. This 0.5 ml of sodium hydroxide from the burette to the sample solution, and we take the reading at regular interval. At certain point there is a sudden increase in the pH, as we observe here. So after adding some value 5 ml, we observe here the sudden increase in the pH value is 11.26. So it is a sudden increase, and thereafter we take some 1 or 2 readings, and then we stop the titration. So then we find out the pK. Table of column we prepare, pH value is noted, then delta pH is delta pH is calculated here. So 3.36 minus 2.85, whatever value comes. So this delta pH, and then delta V is always 0.5. So then delta pH by delta V is also calculated. Thereafter we plot 2 graphs. One is delta pH by delta V versus volume of base, and the other one is pH versus volume of base. So from these 2 graphs we get the equivalence point, and then the half equivalence point, as this experiment is based on Henderson equation, pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt by base. So then equivalence point, whatever the pH value comes, from that we find out the pK value of the base. So this is the result. Last we can write pK value of the weak acid is this much.